Hello viewers. Hello. Good afternoon from United Arab Emirates. It's your call UT Ashton's family UC&UD guys. It's a Sunday morning and I just woke up. I felt like blogging, I felt like going around, I felt like moving out with my hobby. Okay, today Sundays, normally in United Arab Emirates we don't work on Sundays, but some companies are still working. Like today everywhere is just dry. They are trying to at least adjust to that. They are recognizing Sundays now. Before it's Friday that is church here. Wonderful, right? Yes, we goes to church on Friday here, but today is Sunday and they have started recognizing Sunday. They are giving their breaks on Sundays now, most offices. Okay, yes, my husband also actually goes to work even on Sunday. I even at a time wanted them to be giving his off on Sunday so that he will be making use of it. Since them themselves, they recognize they are Muslim, they don't joke with it. Fridays, yeah. But still, they are putting his off on Monday, so we don't have anything to say about it. They even hate Christians, we know. So today, I just woke up, don't mind me. I felt like going out. I wouldn't blame me because I'm already tired. I need to walk around. I need to look around, So I decided to go with him. Last for me, I would like to go like for swimming. Although we have somewhere to go in the late in the day, we have a naming ceremony to go. It's a naming ceremony, I don't know. Someone have a baby, so we want to go and they're celebrating. So that will be an awesome one. Late in the night, I will love it. Okay, all that will happen today and I'm gonna color you guys around, but for now I am diving with my hobby. I just feel like going out, going around, and me now is always my handbag, so I can't go without. I would have go somewhere and have fun, but I don't feel having fun without him, and that is just the problem I have. It's just my bestie, my best friend, everything. I don't have any best friend anyway. So if I go, I wouldn't even enjoy their company anyway. This is a type of place someone can make something like exercises, spend time with nature. This is beautiful. I don't know that this type of thing is in Dubai. Nah, it has didn't drive out the car and turn in.